Hello everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to replace the back glass for a Samsung Galaxy S7. All you should need today is your replacement back glass, an opening tool, and a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, a hairdryer should be sufficient for this repair. Make sure your device is off before starting any repairs. Start by heating the edges on the back of your device to loosen up the old adhesive. It helps to focus on the side or corner you intend to start on, but make sure not to overheat the back of your device, as this can cause permanent damage to your phone. You may need to reapply heat to help loosen the old adhesive in order to firmly insert your opening tool. After loosening the old back glass enough to insert your opening tool, make your way around the edges several times, cutting away at the phone's old adhesive. You want to be gentle during the initial removal of the old back glass because your camera is extremely exposed during this process. There is no covering around the camera, so be careful. After safely removing the old back glass, thoroughly clean the old adhesive surrounding the edges. This is important because any leftover adhesive may prevent the new back glass from adhering properly. If available, use a wet and dry nap to help with this process. In most cases, your old camera lens is transferable from your old back glass to your replacement back glass. Use your heat gun to loosen the adhesive of your old camera lens and carefully pry along the edges. Make sure not to touch the inside of the camera lens. If you do, you may leave a permanent fingerprint on the inside of the lens that will make all of your pictures blurry. Apply pressure to the lens into your new back glass. Use your heat gun to soften the old adhesive on your old lens so that it adheres to your new back glass, then reapply pressure. Then line up your replacement back glass with your device using the camera and flash frame. After careful alignment, apply pressure around the edges of the phone. You'll need consistent pressure to make sure that the new back glass stays on properly and prevents lifting or popping, using clamps or paperweight to do so. In this case, we're going to use a few rubber bands. After applying pressure, let it sit over the course of a few hours or overnight, and the back of your phone should be good as new. For more helpful guides and the best prices on the highest quality parts and accessories, visit Cell4less.com.